The Oaklands has a fully fitted kitchen, and this includes a dishwasher which is hidden away just to the left of the sink in here. To open this up, you just pull open here and you're about to drop down the drawer. To open up, just pull and then load up your plates and dishes. Please can you rinse them before putting them in here, since if you put a lot of heavy food in here it will end up clogging up the filter and then your plates won't be clean. So to use the dishwasher, once you've loaded it up, what you'll need to do here is ensure it's turned on. So you push this, the red light will light up. Now the best mode for general setting is the Eco 50, as you can see here. If you did wish to change the mode, which we wouldn't advise, you push these arrows. To start the machine you'd push start, but first of all you'll need to put a dishwasher tablet in. A dishwasher tablet goes into this compartment here. They are located just to the right underneath the sink, and you'll find them here. So you take one of these and all you do is you pop it in. With that popped in, you then just slide this shut, it will click, and then what you do then is you just then, with the setting here, you push start, close the machine, and then that will start the machine off. When it's finished it will beep. You then open it up, turn it off, and then unload the machine. And that is how you use the dishwasher. Thank you.